is the exterior of American Airlines over here by Terminals 4 and 5. Glass on this facing side looks to be all complete. And then when you look over here on this side here, it's still got a ways to go. It's got some framing, still needs some more paneling, sheathing. And then I'll be curious to see what they do after that, as it's right next to this dated barrel style. Drag race out here. There are some little slivers here. You can kind of see inside a little bit. So it's like they have a ways to go as far as the internals being finished up. But it's nice that they've at least got the exterior looking how it's going. Quite impressive. And then up above, there's a little segment up here, another squared rectangular area. It's got some metal framing, and can't remember in the renderings what that's going to be. If it's going to be some sort of a panel or glass, but I guess we'll find out probably in another month or two. And beyond this building, they do have a tower crane